What's the matter, Rocket? Oh, no! Look at that big jet! Wow, he's so fast. Don't be nervous, Rocket. You're gonna win this race. I know it.